Video introduce about WASAIQI Dent Puller, 3-pack car dent puller dent remover tool dent removal kit for car suction cup, dent puller and dent repair kit. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. Portable car dent removal kit. The car dent removal tool is an ideal multi-purpose tool. It comes with one large car dent puller, 4.5 inches, and two small car dent repairers, 2.2 inches. While compared to other car dent puller kits, we are equipped with nano cloth car scratch remover and buffing polishing pads you need when dealing with dents for your maximum convenience. High quality and powerful. The suction cup dent puller is made of high quality ABS material, durable natural rubber and strong metal core. The handle will not break easily and is durable. The rubber at the bottom provides strong suction and is seamless, so it will not scratch the paint. The large size car dent repair's maximum horizontal suction is 110 pounds, and the maximum vertical suction is 77 pounds. Use the larger puller for more extensive damage, and the smaller one for finer finishing touches. Easy to operate. First, clean the surface and let pointless dent repair kit dry. Next, heat the dent area and adjust the handle of the car dent remover to the detached position. Then, place the suction cup dent remover on the surface and push down on the air. Finally, quickly pull the double handle to the upward position. You can pull hard on the handle. Multi-usages. The car body dent puller is useful for removing car dents. By the way, it is also widely used to lift up glass, steel, furniture, doors, and other smooth objects. And it can also be used to remove the screen or used as a phone holder to watch videos. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. You can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.